6. Again, it's letting you choose over substitution or elimination. This one can be a little tricky because it's not giving you a straight variable to eliminate. However, we want you to notice these two right here. We can get this -3, or get this 3 to a 9 by multiplying just by 3. We want to just multiply by 3 so we can still have that as a -9. So we're just going to move this down to here. So 2x. Nope. Gotta make sure we multiply that. Sorry about that. Okay, 2 times 3, 6x minus 9y equals, and that should get you -42. Okay, and then we're just going to rewrite this just so we make sure we keep this together. Okay, these cross out when we add. That gives us 11x equals -44. Divided by 11, divided by 11, x equals -4. Now, we're going to plug this in. So 5 times -4 plus 9y equals -2. -20 plus 9y equals -2. We're going to add that 20. So 9y equals 18 divided by 9. Y equals 2. So these are our answers. So our ordered pair would be -4, 2. Okay. Now number 7. They're specifically telling you to use elimination. So I recommend kind of writing these on top of each other. It's usually easy to match up the variables and to see if there's a multiple or if it's already given you a negative and a positive. Okay, so they did not give you a specific negative and positive of the same variable. However, we notice these 4 y's are here. So what we can do is multiply one of them by -1 to get into a -4. So we're just going to rewrite this over here. At the top equation, we did not touch the top equation. We're just going to leave it by itself. Then we multiply the bottom, so it gives us 4x plus -4y equals 8. Now when you add these cross out. Our -5x plus 4x gets us -x equals so the -15 plus 8. That should get you the -7. We're going to divide it by -1, so we can get x. -7 divided by -1 is 7. Now, we plug this in. For this one, I'm going to plug it in to the top equation. So -5 times 7 plus 4y equals -15, which gets you -35 plus 4y equals -15. We add that 35 to both sides, which gets you 4y equals 20. Divided by that 4, we get y equals 5. So our solution here is 7, 5. Okay. Number 8. This one is telling you specifically what to use. We're going to use substitution. Now this one, they give you a y. So anytime you see a y in this equation, they want you to plug in this 2x. So that would be right here. So this is going to equal that. So that should get us 2x equals 7x minus 15. So I want you to see that this is where they want you to plug it in. Anytime you see a y, you're going to replace it with a 2x. So we subtract 7x from both sides. -5x equals negative 15 divided by negative 5. X equals 3. Now, we're not done yet because we need to find our y. Now, this makes it easy because we can plug this x right into that x. So y equals 2 times y equals 6. So that gives us an ordered pair of 3, 6. Number 9 is also asking for substitution. For this one, however, is slightly different. They give you an x. So they want anytime you see an x to put this, to put negative 3y. So this x is going to turn into a negative 3y. So let me rewrite what this equation would look like. It's going to be negative 7 times negative 3y minus 2y equals negative 38. Now, we're going to multiply this one out. So that is going to be 21y minus 2y equals negative 38. This gets us to 19y equals negative 38 divided by 19 on both sides. That gets us y equals negative 2. Then, again, this makes it kind of easy. We're able to plug this y value right into this y to get our x. So, that gets us negative 3 times negative 2 equals x, which will also get us x equals 6. Our order for substitution is 6, negative 2. Okay, this is the last one, is also asking for substitution. This is similar to the previous one. It gives you the x. They want you to plug this into any time you see an x. So that is going to replace this little x right there. So we're going to rewrite this. Negative 8 times negative 2y plus 5. Keep this in the parentheses so we don't get them lost. Keep that negative 3y equals negative 1. Now we're going to simplify this. We carry it out, so negative 8 times negative 2 gives us 16y plus negative 8 times 5, which gets us negative 40, minus 3y equals negative 1. Now, you can do this in your head, 16y minus 3y. You can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to write this step just in case so we can follow along. So I'm going to get these next to each other so we can see what is really happening, just in case if someone wants to follow through there. But if you can do it in your head, do it in your head. You can just get automatically to this next step I'm going to write, the 13y minus 40 equals negative 1. And then we add our 40 to both sides. We use our 13y on that side. And 39. Sorry. There we go. Okay. And then you divide by 13, which y equals 3. So, we're not done yet because we don't have our x value. This y is going to get plugged in right into this value here. So, I'm going to just rewrite. There we go. Now, x equals negative 2 times 3 plus 5. X equals negative 6 plus 5. That should get you x equals negative 1. So our ordered pair solution here is negative 1, 3. So now we have finished the activity for the week of the 19th of September.